their neighborhood. But Heathcliff just won't be undone, playing pranks on everyone. There's a race to be on top. The competition doesn't stop. Mixing with the ladies fair, being charming debonair. The game will reign supreme, and no one can deny. They'll make them history, and always have an alibi. So join in the jubilee. The cats are great, they'll all agree. Find in each calamity the cat's superiority. Heathcliff, Heathcliff, no one should terrify their neighborhood. But Heathcliff just won't be undone. You should realize he can win with you.
Boy, that felt good. Let's see now. First, the morning paper. Then, I think, a nice chilled bottle of milk before breakfast. Shh. Right about now. Isn't life wonderful?
Life stinks.
A good day always begins with a good breakfast. Perfect treat. The perfect way to start the perfect day. Huh? It's empty. 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 Hey, what's going on? They're all empty. No one does this to Heathcliff. I'll teach that perfect treat cat food cannery to mess with me.
Hey, Wordsworth, it's...
Heathcliff.
The slider, the formidable turning.
Hey, Heathcliff, what you doing? Slumming it?
Well, if it isn't Hector, Wordsworth and Mungo, the wonder nerds.
That's no way to talk to your best friends.
Get lost, loser. I got a beef. I got a beef with a cat food cannery.
They just got a big mean hog of a dog.
Wordsworth, I'm sure Heathcliff's not afraid of some little watchdog.
But Hector, that ain't no little watchdog. That's a great big bulldog.
Unless, of course, Heathcliff's chicken.
Exactly what do you have in mind? And in your case, I chuckle when I use the word mind.
Where the cat food is canned, felines are banned. A bet we can win is you can't get in.
Yeah, if you win, we'll be your servants for a month.
Yeah. And if you loses, we'll be your servants.
No, Einstein. If Heathcliff loses, he serves us breakfast in bed for a month. Deal?
I don't know what I'll do with 3 incompetent servants, but you suckers got a deal.
But, boss, you forgot to tell him about Brahma, the cannery dog who makes you cry for mama. Ouch!
In case I forgot to introduce myself, I'm Brahma, the watchdog. And if you come back in here, you'll be nothing but an orange spot on the floor. Now stay out!
We usually have breakfast at 8. Fresh fish would be nice.
Maybe we should have breakfast at 8, boss. Maybe 30.
Maybe we should have breakfast at 8:30, boss.
Nice work, Brahma. If there's one thing we don't need in a cat food cannery, it's cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No two-bit watchdog is gonna make a chump out of me.
My little fire extinguisher burglar alarm will cool that crazy cat.
Now, about breakfast, I was thinking 7:30 might be better.
What's going on here? Looks like I was wrong about you. How would you like to be our new watch cat? All the cat food you can eat. Brahma, you're fired. You'll get your severance steak in the mail. I can't have a watchdog who's beaten by a cat. Now out.
Now come in the back way and take that cat by surprise. Look out below!
Nothing like a nice cheery fire to brighten your day.
I gotta get back in there. The mail truck. That gives me an idea. This package disguise will get me in the cannery for sure.
Mailman must have forgot this one. Well, that's it for the day. You're in charge till morning. See that no one gets in.
Boys, let's have a little peace and quiet.
Huh? Uh-oh.
Where's that cat? I got a bone to pick with him.
Here, bully. Here, bully. Bully.
I got the shower, smelling like a flower. Gee, that was fun. Can I do it again, boss?
Give it up, cat. I'm gonna pulverize you.
Some people sure know how to ruin a guy's dinner. Can't he take a hint?
You whoop!
Empty? If I know Heathcliff, I'd better get to the cannery fast before he wrecks the place.
Can I help you, son?
I was afraid everyone had gone for the day.
You're lucky I forgot my lunchbox. What can I do for you?
It's these empty cans of cat food.
I'm really sorry about that. Don't you worry, we'll make it good. Here, a free case of cat food.
Gee, thanks.
Huh?
Gee.
Okay, who's responsible for this? Show yourselves! Just as I thought. You'll work all night. Now start cleaning. Now get going!
Oh, boy, that felt good. Let's see now.
Your milk.
Very good. And my paper?
Ooh, your morning paper, sir.
Good. Gee, boss, this is fun. Can we do this again tomorrow?
I'm too tired to bop him one.
Allow me.
Oh, gee, why'd he do that, boss?
Don't you hate days that start like this?
Oh, this is no laughing matter. Yikes, what is that? Button your beak, you wacko bird. Hey, nobody laughs at Riff-Raff. You think I'm playing games, huh? You think it's funny, huh? All right, wise guy. We'll see who gets the last laugh. Okay. So you got the last laugh. I gotta get some sleep. This has gotta work. Perfect. I can't hear a thing.
Yup, it's that crazy laugh again. Sure sounds like Riff-Raff's flipping out.
Yeah, Mungo. Definitely the laugh of a loony gone goony.
Sounds like we might need a new leader, 'cause something funny's going on up there. Come on, we better check.
I'd swear I heard that nutty laugh, even in my sleep. Yeah, that's it. It must have been a nightmare. Hey, what are you guys doing in my domicile? Unannounced.
Sorry, Riff-Raff, but in your, condition, you need help. Get him, guys!
My condition? Back off. I do need your help, but from a big, goofy, bird.
Oh, my word. A big goofy bird.
Yeah, a bird. And there it is now.
Come on, guys. We'll show that feathered freak not to bug our leader. Charge!
Hey, that was funny.
Funny, my foot. It's impossible. Let's split.
We're right behind you.
We'll just hide till that bird finds somebody else to drive bonkers.
Somebody else? I think it's a she, and she has eyes just for you.
Huh?
You do have a way with the chicks, you know. Even big, goony ones.
Cool it, fur brain. Come on, follow me.
Splendid hideout, Riff-Raff, my man. Now what'll we do? What's the plan?
We'll take turns sleeping and guarding. I'll take the first shift. Sleeping.
How come he sleeps while we have to guard?
Like it should be simple, even for you. 6 eyes are better than 2.
That laugh. I must be dreaming. Good. Where'd they go?
In here, Riff-Raff, where it's safe.
Swell, Hector. Safe, but ugh, stinky.
Oh boy, a fishy.
Running from a bird. Man, we're gonna be laughed out of town.
You're right, Hector. No more running. This means war.
The junkyard. On our own turf, that crazy feather duster won't stand a chance.
Relax, guys. This'll be a snap. After all, it's just a bird.
A rare Wazuli wacko bird recently escaped from the zoo. And it's...
Big deal. So what's your battle plan, oh great leader?
It's simple, Hector. The defense takes the offense, which means when it shows up, we nail it.
Oh my word, there's a reward for the bird.
Okay, Wacko, this is your last laugh. Give up or else. So that's your answer, huh? Okay, guys, here's the plan. Everybody know their jobs? Okay, battle station. Remember the plan. I'm the decoy. As soon as the Wacko makes its play, get it. Got it?
Got it.
Got it.
There it is. We got it trapped.
Yeah, one wacko bird coming up.
I knew you were tailing me. Now it's my turn to laugh. Ha and ha. It looks like your laughing days are over now.
Oh, no.
I think it's time for Plan B.
What went wrong?
Plan B. Go get the cat balloon ready for takeoff.
Come on, Riff-Raff. You expect to catch the Wacko all by yourself? That's a laugh.
It's my only chance. And I plan to catch it with a laugh.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, Wacko. Now we'll see who has the last laugh. Hey, Wacko. Here I am. Greetings, Wacko. Had any good laughs lately? It worked! Oh, too bad, Wacko. But you'll thank me for this later, when you're with your own wacky kind, back home on Wazuli Island.
Ooh, man, you don't know it, but you sure did blow it.
That's my reward, Wordsworth. I love happy endings, especially when they end with a laugh.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
The zoo would have paid us almost any reward for returning that Wacko bird? Like a fortune in fish snackies?
That's the gig. Now you dig?
Huh. Some happy ending. This is a miserable ending.
Not for the Wacko. It sounded really happy about going home. And besides, I'm too tired to care. Sleep at last. Huh? What's that? Oh no! Not again! Huh? I don't believe it. Oh no! Yuck, yuck.
When your dog is old, you can't push him too hard, especially if he's overweight. Are you calling me fat? Hey, relax, old fella. Your old dog needs regular exercise, but remember not to make him run, jump, and play like he used to. The best idea is to take your older dog for short, easy walks. Here, let's go, old boy.
Cats and company have fun, playing pranks on everyone. New adventures every day, the cats will always get their way. The gang will reign supreme, and no one can deny. Now make them history, and always have an alibi. So join in the jubilee. The cats are great, they'll all agree. Oh, new adventures every day. Cats and company